In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clock widget to Notion. By the end, you'll have a live, always-on clock right inside your Notion page, perfect for dashboards, daily planners, or team workspaces that span time zones. First, you'll need a widget embed provider. This is a website that generates a clock for you and gives you a link you can embed in Notion. A popular option is Indiffa. On a provider site, look for a clock widget and pick a style you like, digital or analog, 12-hour or 24-hour, and any color or font options that match your workspace. The provider will generate a unique URL for your clock. That link is the key piece you'll use in Notion. If there's a preview on the site, make sure the time looks correct, and if the option exists, set the correct time zone so it displays exactly what you expect. Next, simply copy the link for the clock widget you want. Be sure you're copying the share or embed URL the provider gives you. If the site shows multiple links, choose the one labeled for embedding or sharing publicly, since Notion needs to access it from the web. Now head back to your Notion page and place your cursor where you want the clock to live. Type /embed, then press enter. Notion will insert an embed block and prompt you for a link. Paste the clock URL into the field and press enter again. Notion will fetch the content and display a live preview. If you see a quick loading animation, give it a moment to render. In most cases, it will appear right away. If your workspace has restrictions on third-party embeds, you may need to check with your workspace settings or admin, but for most personal pages, it should just work. Your new clock widget will appear on your Notion page. Once it's there, you can resize the block by dragging the handles, move it around your layout, or place it into columns to fit your dashboard design. If the clock looks a little small, widening the block usually improves readability. And if you ever want a different style or time zone, just go back to your widget provider, make the change, and copy the updated link to re-embed or replace the existing one. That's all. You found a clock widget provider, copied the link, used Notion's embed feature, and pasted the URL. Simple and effective. Enjoy your new clock, and use it to keep your day on track right inside Notion.